how to hide apps on Android. So if you want to hide apps on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, or you can just simply go with your search and search for hide apps. Now here, you may also have a second space. You can create a second space if you want to, or just simply go with hidden apps. Here you need to go and turn on the option for hidden apps. Like for example, if I want to hide this ClickBuzz, I'll go and turn it on, tap on got it, and that's it. Now if you go back and search for ClickBuzz right here under your apps section, then you won't find it. But if you go back and then turn off the hidden app, and now if you go and search ClickBuzz, then you'll find the application. That's how you can hide apps on your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.